friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making breaded zucchini in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, we need a fresh zucchini. I already washed it before making the video. And we also need egg, breadcrumbs, and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So let's first slice the zucchini. I'm going to cut off the ends and throw them out. And now I'm just going to cut zucchini into slices. Now after you slice the zucchini, season it. I will sprinkle it with seasonings. So I'll just sprinkle it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And now I'm going to whisk the egg in a bowl. And I'm going to put breadcrumbs on a plate. So now I'm going to take zucchini slices and dip them in egg and dip in breadcrumbs and put in the air fryer. So I'll take out the air fryer basket. So now I'm just going to take some slices just to make it faster so you don't have to do it one at a time. So dip them in egg. And then dip in breadcrumbs on both sides. And put in the air fryer. So now let's put the basket back in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. Look at that breaded zucchini, it's looking good. Now carefully flip it over. Now be extra careful because this breading, it tends to fall off, and if some of it falls off, it's not a big deal. So just do the best you can to flip it so it cooks more evenly. So I'm just going to redistribute the slices. So again, it doesn't have to be perfect, just do the best you can to turn them over. And let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this breaded zucchini, it looks amazing. The breading is perfectly brown, looks so crunchy and delicious. Now let's take it out of the air fryer. Do you hear how crispy it is? When it's fell on a plate, you can just hear the crunch. So good. Now I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. So crunchy and delicious. You're going to love it. Making it in the air fryer is so easy. For a free printable recipe of this crispy breaded zucchini, please go to my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!